Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. And this video I'm going to talk about how to set custom charging sound on your iPhone. So let's get started. So before setting any sound, what I did is I used my laptop. I downloaded a sound with a duration of 7 seconds from Google, and I downloaded and copied using my iTunes to Apple Music, right? So make sure one thing that you have to set a song that around shorter duration. So if you set up any song that is having a length of 2 minutes, it will be playing whole 2 minutes while you're charging. So keep in mind that you have to set this for a shorter duration one, right? Once you copied and done everything, you just need to go over here, swipe it and navigate to the shortcuts. Now from here we have to go to the automation. Now from here we need to tap on new automation. Now from here we have to go to the search at the bottom, search here for charger. Now we need to tap on the charger. Now from here set this to run immediately. Make sure that you turn off this notify when run. Now we need to tap on the next. Now from here what we need to do is go to the search here. Now we need to search here for music, right? Now when you search for the music, we have these two options. Tap on play, you have to tap on this one. That's going to take you to this. Now if I try to play this particular song from here, it won't work. Or what you need to do is, that is the case, just go back. Now from here you have to tap on the songs. Now from here you can see this is the song that is lesser than, like I said, 7 seconds duration song. Now from here you have to tap on the plus icon over here. So right now this is added. And also keep in mind that once you've done this, you have to make sure, the very important thing, you have to go over here to the control center over here and make sure that you set the volume to the maximum. The media volume should be maximum, so you have to set it from here to the maximum. And once done, what I'm trying to do is I'm just going to connect using my cable here. So what I'm trying to do is just go over here. Let me change this from over here like this. Let me connect this. So I'm directly going to connect the cable. So I'll do it once again. I'm just going to connect it. Now, as you can see, this is how we can do it, right? I'm really sorry for the cable. So if you feel like it's fine with it, we just ordered a new one, it will be reaching. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. That's it. Bye.